Also, Deputy Chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers, Yildiz Bakashova, met with extraordinary and plenipotentiary Ambassador of Japan to Kyrgyzstan, Shigeki Maeda. During the conversation, Bakashova noted that Kyrgyzstan highly appreciates the assistance provided by Japan in the implementation of various economic and infrastructure projects, and in the context of the coronavirus pandemic, cooperation and exchange of experience in the field of healthcare and medicine is an important component of Kyrgyz-Japanese relations. Bakashova stressed that in connection with the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, the main efforts of the Cabinet of Ministers as well as the governments of other countries are aimed at solving issues related to countering the spread of coronavirus infection and restoring economic activity in the country. Japanese ambassador, on his behalf, stressed the importance of vaccination of the population and compliance with the necessary safety measures in the conditions of the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus infection. The parties also discussed the purchase of vaccines and the implementation of the International Main Road Improvement Project in Kyrgyzstan through the Japan International Cooperation Agency.